Now is the time to display your vintage and patriotic items to celebrate the 4th of July. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just use things that you have around the house. Things you already have, scraps of fabric. Look in your pantry. Do you have straws, toothpicks with little flags? Just look for whatever you have and we can use those to decorate. I don't decorate with much red. I grabbed a little bit of red fabric, but it's a little more muted than I have this really bright. Something like that I could use outside perhaps, but in my home I like things a little bit more neutral. I do love the color of these jars. I used to have them out. I started digging for them. I have them in storage holding, well, buttons and several different things. But anyway, today I'm going to empty those out and I'm going to look around my home a little bit more and collect items that we can use for our decorating. I found a few items that I think I can use. I really like the blue of these jars, so I got them washed and got out a couple of books. One's about Abraham Lincoln, one's about the Declaration of Independence. It's got a lot of pretty pictures in it. Display that somewhere. This is what I've gathered thus far. I think I'll try to make some little flags. It's not starred, but it will give the idea. Rip those apart and in half again. Well, I found cut some sticks. Not sure if any of them are going to be straight enough. Let's see, that one might be. So, let's see what we can work out of this. Well, let's just go ahead and glue the little flags together. Trying to figure out how much of a little edge I need, but I don't really need one at all because I can just let the stick show right on the front if I want. Okay. Ooh, that glue is super hot. Let's see. Maybe it'd be fun to see the little top of it showing and then something like that. Kind of thought these clothespins would be cool for a little flag topper, but it's not going to quite work with what I've got going here. So I'm going to just glue this right on top of it. Who knows, next time if I have time I might cut off the part with the glue and sew it. Okay. And that's not gonna. Just push it on there just like that. Try a 10. Okay. It's bent enough, it's kind of not making contact. Okay. So we'll just do that likewise with the others. Ended up even shorter. Okay. These are supposed to be primitive looking, so they definitely will be. Okay, I forgot to put glue on there. Let's try this. And let's see which of these is the longest one. Oh goodness, it's not really hanging good, is it? Yeah, I should have done them opposite sides. This is how this little centerpiece on the island turned out. Just put another little jar there to have some touch of that blue that I like so well. That's just a touch, but before I didn't have any patriotic stuff, so it's good with my decor, and yet it's not so much red that it bothers me. Now over here in the family room, I showed you before how I did the little beach decor here, and so I thought it would be nice to add some patriotic stuff right here too. And then over at the fireplace, I added that flag. I'm just trying to add little touches. And a book, I think, makes enough difference to bring in that patriotic spirit. Much for watching today. I hope that this has been a little bit of inspiration for you to look around and decorate your home for the 4th of July. No matter what your decorating style is, there's always room for a little bit of patriotic decor. Thank you so much.